Hello guys, so as you can see watu walirauka mapema. People wanna see like Mufti Menk, they wanna listen to the darsa. Alhamdulillah tumefika. Right now as you can see on my watch it's 4:45. Let's see the mosque how it is. Remember this is Masjid Rahma, Haringam. Walaikum salam. Wasichana. Hebu ngoja nikuulizie hapa. Niaje bro? Wasichana wanaingia na wapi? Pale mbele. Watembea hivi? Waende hivi kuna msichana. Angalia, asalamu alaykum. Go like this Alafu mpitie hapa. Alafu nitakuwa live kwa YouTube Hamu TV. You can watch from there. I'm good. How are you? So alhamdulillah we are at the mosque. This is Masjid Rahma. Remember that we have come for you. Hamu TV 254 as usual. Assalamu alaikum. As usual, and we are here. Let's get to see how many people have arrived in the mosque. Yo, a lot of people are already in the mosque. A lot of them. So right now is 5 sharp. Yeah, and as you can see the mosque, first the mosque is almost, then let's get out and see how the people are coming and all that stuff. Let's get out and see. Yeah, sure. MashaAllah. The parking slots are remaining a few. The parking slots are really few. So make sure you get yours. Make sure you come fast. So as you can see guys, the parking slots are already done. You see, as you can see, parking slots zimeja. So make sure it's better, by the way, if you use public transport it will be better. Yeah, it will be better.